It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. I've been to Farm Foods again and I picked up some Jamaican jerk chicken patties. They look really good. They were £1.50 for two. I've never had a Jamaican patty before, but tender pieces of Jamaican jerk chicken baked in a golden pastry. So you can put these in the air fryer. You can put them in on 175 degrees for 25 minutes. They're from the original Patty Co. So let's get them out, let's have a look at them. That's my dog. Yeah. Some kind of weird cough going on. Oh no, they're damaged. Oh well. Right. Oh, they're not too bad. A little bit smashed on the front there. But they look quite good. A yellowy colour. Pastry. I'm going to cook the two. And I just smell of frozen. The smell of the Arctic Circle. Frozen. "25 minutes. I'll chuck them halfway through and I'll be back when they're cooked. Right, okay, these Jamaican pasties are ready. I'm knocking them off in the air fryer 5 minutes earlier than what they wanted to have it from an oven. So instead of 25 minutes, I'm doing them for 20 because they just look like they're starting to, I've turned them, they're looking like they're starting to burn a bit, and I don't want that. Who wants that? The mandatory burn yourself. As a food reviewer, I mean, forever like sticking hot things in my mouth and picking things up hot. You're desperate to get it to the camera. So this is what they look like. The pastry is very different from a British style pasty. It seems a bit drier, a bit crispier. So let's cut one of these in half. Wow, they're hot. And as that's cooling down, let's show you what the box thinks it should look like. Looks like it's spilling out with loads of chicken and pepper, chili pepper, and then there's the reality of it. So not so big and kind of spilly, if you like. Looks like there's not much in there at all, to be perfectly honest with you. But that's it, isn't it? That's kind of life. You see a McDonald's advert, don't you, in a bus shelter? It doesn't necessarily mean that that's what the burger's going to look like. That's quite... looks like paste. Ooh. But just tasting that alone, there's a bit of heat there, there's a bit of spice. It wants to flake away. The pastry wants to flake away on you. Let's get in. It's crispy, it's crunchy, it's exactly what I was kind of fearing. I mean, it would have done the same in the oven. It would have crisped up like this in the oven. Most pasty products do, most pie products do. But I was fearing that if I put it in for the full 25 minutes, these were going to be like bricks, you know? So far, flaky pastry that's it's a little bit spicy, it's a little bit chilly like. It's very different to a British pasty. Whoa, whoa, right in the middle of it now. It's still pasty like. I've had a little bit of chicken, but there's bits of like spicy potato. It's quite a hit. It's quite a nice amount of heat that hits you around the face here with this patty. Mmm. We'll dissect the other half. We'll open it up. Wow. That's hot. That is... We got a local bakery that do pepper pasties. Brilliant bakery. They're called the Jolly Baker in Barry. If you know Barry, if you've been to Barry, if you live in Barry, Jolly Baker, pepper pasties, fantastic. This has got that sort of, I mean, it's 10 times hotter than a pepper pasty, but it's got that sort of pepper pasty feel to it. Mmm. It is messy though. It is messy, it's all over the floor. If there's chicken in there, it's been kind of like, it's been turned into a paste. But it's okay. It's just the box has got it. The box has got it looking very different. Like there's lumps of chicken in here. There isn't. So that's a slight disappointment. I mean, for the price, £1.50, 75p a pasty. Farm foods, Heron foods, that sort of thing, you can buy these. I'm going to open this one up. There we go. That's what it looks like. Very, very different in it to the box. The box has got red pepper, looks like chilies. It looks really good on the box. This looks like cat food. It's tasty cat food. But it looks like cat food. Do I like it? Could I eat 2 of them? You see a McDonald's in a bus shelter, you think, I'll have that McDonald's. It never happens. It never looks the way it does from an advert. Same here. That's quite extreme though. That's quite an extreme difference, isn't it? That looks like it's stuffed full of peppers and chicken and a bit of false advertising there, if you ask me. They're made by Quick Food Products Limited in Wolverhampton. My rating. I like it. I'd buy them again. It's just I feel like they look very different to what they're supposed to look like on the box, or what they're meant to look like on the box. It's very different in reality. So for that, I'm going to give them a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.